Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on a spring makeup look that I've really been wanting to try. I'm going to be doing a pastel blue eyeshadow look today, and I've never tried this before. I was on Allure's website and I was looking at this video. It was like 3 makeup artists create a makeup look based upon a unicorn, and there were loads of awesome looks, and there's this girl called Honey Don T. She created this really nice pastel blue wing, and it sealed the deal for me. I was like, I'm definitely gonna do it, but I didn't really know what to use, and luckily she used a P.Louise base as her base, so I'm just gonna use it with just the P.Louise and see how it goes. I've got it here. I'm going to be using Touch of Frost, and because I was on their website and I needed to make it up to like £15 to get free shipping, I decided just to get a brush, and it's kind of a nice flat crease brush. I'm hoping this is the easiest way to get involved in that pastel eyeshadow trend. Okay, wish me luck. This is it here. It's a really bright colour. It's a really nice blue. You feel like an artist though. So it's quite hard to be precise with this brush because it is so flexible and it is quite soft. A little bit of foundation, just so it doesn't look completely bare. See what it might look like with a slightly smaller wing. So that is pretty much it, guys. I'm kind of feeling it. I think I definitely prefer the fuller wing, but not as big as it was before. This is like the perfect size, so I've just got to try and recreate that again. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. My finished look. I hope you liked it. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.